Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic that how to find a count in Microsoft Excel. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in Microsoft Excel learning and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you. Friend, finding a count in Microsoft Excel it's very easy. Just let me give you an example here. Just put some number here, for example 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 44, 77, 88, 99. Okay, now you want to find the count of these numbers. Now count in terms of number. So just select these numbers. Okay, you can select by, like, for example, left click on the mouse and drag the mouse. Okay, so you can select it. Now here is the formula of count numbers. In the AutoSum there is a formula count number. If you just click here, so it will tell you that the number of count, total number of rows are 9 here. So it's very easy, and easily you can get the number of count by using the formula in the here available as count number in the AutoSum function, in the AutoSum category. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.